Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW i8 versus M4 competition. We'll explore their distinct characteristics, from their innovative powertrains to their unique driving philosophies. This comparison will help you understand which BMW best suits your preferences, whether you prioritize efficiency and cutting-edge design or raw power and track-ready performance. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to performance, these two BMWs offer very different experiences. The i8, with its hybrid powertrain, delivers instant torque and a smooth, efficient drive, achieving 0 to 60 in about 4.2 seconds. The M4 competition, however, focuses on pure combustion power, providing a more visceral and aggressive feel, hitting 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.8 seconds. Both offer thrilling acceleration, but with distinct characters. Beyond performance, design and practicality also set these cars apart. The i8's futuristic aesthetic, highlighted by its unique scissor doors and sleek lines, truly stands out. Inside, it offers a 2+2 seating arrangement. The M4 competition, on the other hand, presents a more conventional yet aggressive coupe design, focusing on a sporty stance. It provides more practical rear seating and cargo space, making it a more versatile daily driver. Ultimately, choosing between the i8 and M4 competition depends on your priorities. The i8 appeals to those seeking innovation, efficiency, and a head-turning design with its advanced hybrid system. The M4 competition is for enthusiasts who crave unadulterated power, a thrilling exhaust note, and a more traditional sports car feel. Both are exceptional, but cater to different desires. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.